Hello, I am Sivanjali Singh. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss marketing models. First one is 7P of marketing mix. 7P stand for product, place, promotion, price, physical evidence, process, people. The 4P of marketing mix is product, place, promotion, price, and this 3 one is extended form. The people, process, and physical evidence basically used in service sector. Under product, design of product, technology used, utility, quality, packaging, warranty, this all come under the product. In place section, the distribution channel, uh, what channel we use or business use, that come under the place. Uh, Under promotion, that how business or company communicate their product to customers by using the different tools like advertisement, self promotion, direct marketing, competitor, joint venture. Fourth one is the price. In this section, company decide the pricing strategy. There are different type of pricing strategy, which strategy they use for their business. By analyzing them, these are different type like skimming pricing, penetration pricing, value based pricing, cost plus pricing, loss leader pricing, or cost leadership pricing. Fifth one is the physical evidence, that surrounding interference, ambience, facilities come under this. Basically, in service sector, for example, hospital, hotel, restaurant, where we judge through surrounding facility. And the sixth one is the process. The process, service delivering process, standardization, and last one is people, all employee, organization culture, customer relationship come under this. So this is the 7P of marketing mix, which is used to promote the company brand or product. This also help to decide the company to promote the right product at right time at the right price. So this is very important. Another tool is the USP, that is unique selling proposition or unique selling point. Is marketing strategy of making a unique proposition to the customer that convinces them to switch the brand. USP is slogan that differentiate a product or service from its competitor. For example, M&M company that milk chocolate melts in your mouth, not in your hand. Another example is Walmart, everyday low prices. So what is this? Everyday low prices. This is a slogan which made by company to communicate the brand, brand, their value to the customer through slogan by using the advertisement industry. Third one is BCG model, that is Boston Consultancy Group. This is also called the growth share matrix or product portfolio matrix. BCG model is very important to decide the product portfolio matrix. In this model, we analyze the product portfolio, which product is a star and which product need the investment, the which product of company give the profit, have the highest market share or relative market share or market growth, and which product need to uh, stop, no, because they are not giving any profit, that product is loss for the company. So according to BCG model, we decide this. Let's see what is this. This BCG created by Bruce D. Henderson for the Boston Consultancy Group in 1970. His helped the company allocate resource and is used as an analytical tool in brand marketing, product management, strategic management, and portfolio analysis. The Bruce technique of BCG that help company to allocate their resource in different type of portfolio, uh, and it is used to analyze in brand marketing, product management, strategic management, and the portfolio analysis. According to this technique, businesses or products are classified as low or high performers depending upon their market growth rate and relative share. The business or product is divided into the high and low performance according to their market growth rate or relative market share. What is market share? Market share, the portion of market controlled by a particular company or product. Market share is the percentage of total market that is being served by your company, measures either in revenue terms or unit volume terms. So market share is the percentage of total market which being served by your company, and it is measured in terms of revenue or in terms of volume sell or unit volume term. Relative market share index a firm or brand market share against that of its leading competitor. Relative market share is a marketing matrix used to compare the firm's market share to the largest competitor in the market. When calculate the relative market share, the market leader's marketing share is used as a benchmark. The leader of the market is used as a benchmark, and we compare from that largest competitor, that is called the relative market share. BCG portfolio planning model, which is based on observation that a company's business unit can be classified into four categories: star, question mark, cash cow, dog. It is based on combination of marketing growth and market share relative to next best competitor. This is the model. The start of company, the star, that product or business of the company which have the high market growth rate and high market share. They start are leader in business. They also required heavy investment to maintain its largest market share. It's lead to large amount of cash consumption and cash generation. Cash cow, having the low growth and high market share, generate more cash than required. They are located in an industry that is matured, not growing or declining. Question: this section having the high market growth rate but low relative market share. Dog, low market growth and low relative market share. So this is the matrix where to access the performance of product or of any company is decided according to their market growth rate and relative market share. So the product or business who perform high, who's having the high market growth rate and relative market share high, that is called the leader of the business or company or star of the company, which required high investment also because the star is giving the revenue, help in capture to maintain the relative market share. The company need to continuously add on some value, uh, promote for promotion, for addition, for maintaining the relative market share. They require the lot of money and start generate also lot of money. When product come into the mature or saturation point, that come under the or go into the cash cow, where the market growth rate is low, but they capture the market relative market share is high. Uh, Here, they in cash cow they have the lots of money, but their growth is constant. Then in question mark, where the high market growth but relative market share is low. The growth is high, but they are not able to capture the market. So here the company has have to decide, either we invest more money and push the product to star, or we stop or this investment, or we or come under the dog, that section, that is the low market growth and a relative market share. Basically is they, here is no growth, no nothing, no profit. Basically the company decide to stop that product or service. So this is a BCG matrix which used to analyze the business portfolio and help in deciding which business portfolio help the company to make more investment, or help into uh, promote their brand or generate revenue. Here are some strategy for a star invest for growth. In Casco, they are in there is strategy to take cash, generate cash as much as possible. For dog strategies, divest, that is no investment. Or for question mark, if business analyze the growth into start, then go for it, or will degenerate into the dog. Thank you.